Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Hi guys! Kamusta? Kamusta mong tanan? Welcome back! Welcome back! Now, it's been a while. And yeah, madami nangyari. And today, nasa lockdown na naman tayo guys. So, yun. Stay at home, stay safe, and stay healthy. So, please do stay at home nila guys. So now, for today's video, as you can see doon sa title, we are going to unbox an item which is an ring light na 18 inches. Actually guys, to be honest, ang tagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng 18 inches na ring light. But unfortunately, it was quite expensive kaya hindi ako bumibili. But fortunately, nakabili ako sa Lazada noong birthday celebration ng Lazada noong March 27. So, 27 and today is March 20. Within two, oh my god, kumagalaw yung camera, yung pusa. Nako yan! Anyways, so ayun, March 27 to 2 days sa deliver na kagad siya. So I got this one from Juan Gadget. I'm going to link down below yung store nila na pinilhan ko para you would be able to visit them as well if you're interested to buy one. Huwag kang magulo. Ang gulo ng pusa namin. Anyways, so ayun. So bumili na ako sa kanya kasi it was at discounted price. So normally kasi if you're going to buy this one outside, nasa mga around 4,500 up yung 18 inches na ring light. But this one I got for 2,697 pesos after all the discounts and vouchers that I have from Lazada. So it was on sale. Original price in sa Lazada was 10,000 pesos. It's quite exaggerated actually for 10,000 pesos. I don't think that this is at 10,000 pesos, but it was discounted daw ng around 3,600. And then there was an extra discount for 3,039 pesos na lang siya. Dahil huwag kang magulo. Yung pusa namin tumitingin kasi kaya I get confused. So, again, dahil sa mga vouchers ko sa Lazada, I got it for 3,697 pesos. 2,697 pesos. So, sobrang mura. So, I got it na kasi I really want to have one. Kasi yung ginagamit ko ngayon is yung 10 inches lang na ring light which I bought for like 500 pesos or 600. So, kasi matipid ako and I really don't want to spend much on that. But yeah, so ngayon, excited ako. So I really have to give this to myself kasi it's been a while naman na hindi ako namimili. So yeah, guys, I am going to show you now the ring light and let's start the video. So here we are guys, ito na yun. So I received this one earlier today and yeah, we're going to unbox this one ngayon. So this one is 18 inches at ang laki talaga, box pa lang malaki na siya. So I mean, hindi ko pa nakita yung box pa lang malaki na. So we're going to open this one up and i-unbox natin. And by the way, kasi they have a few different types ng what do you call this one, ring light online. So, ang binili ko is yung RL20 600 LED beads, 18-inch with bicolor na ring light. So, yun. So, without further ado, let's start unboxing na. So may kasama pala siyang bag here. May bag siya. So, may bag and from the box we also have this one. And I believe ito yung tripod na kasama. So muna, so unahin natin ito buksan yung box. Yung bag. And OMG. Tada! Guys, ang laki I can fit my entire head dito. Ayan, ang laki niya. So, it has the white color na what they call diffuser. And I think diffuser ang tawag doon, I'm not really sure. So, I think it's like diffuser. And here, meron din siya yung ibang color, yung soft color or yung yellow. And what else? Yun ang laman. But at least it has a bag, no? Kasi kapag dadalhin mo siya somewhere, at least, kasi yung 10 inches ko, wala siyang bag na kasama. So, what else? Okay. May mga accessories pa here inside. I'll open this one up. So ito where you can place your, what do you call this one, cell phone. And then this one naman kung saan mo ito pwede i-mount. At saka yung camera mo. Ito. And then, yun lang. Yan pa ba? Yun lang yung mga gadgets. Binuksan ko na, diba? So next, let's open the tripod naman. I believe this is a tripod kasi naka-ano siya eh. So here, ayan. It looks durable naman yung tripod niya. Oh, actually yung tripod niya is almost the same dun sa tripod ko na ginagamit ko where I place my camera. It looks durable, guys. So, paano ba to? Ganyan. Ha? Bakit pang baliktad? Tama ba? I'm confused. I'm confused, guys. Bakit baliktad? Anyways, ito yung tripod. Ano ba ito? Ah! Oh my God! Akala ko baliktad kasi nakaganyan, di ba? So bakit nasa ilalim to? Wala dito sa taas. Kasi kapag tatayo nandito sa ano, kailangan mo siyang i-pull throughout. Tapos tatayo siya ng gano'n. Oh my God! First time ko makikita yung ano. First time ko ng tripod na gito, nabaliktad, ganun siya, baliktaran. Ganun siya i-close, tapos pag in-open mo, babaliktad siya ng ganyan. Ah, it's amazing. It looks durable though. So, ayun. Lock ko na. So, let's put this one up or itayo na natin siya. So, what to do next? Guys, I'm able to put it up na. Ito na yon. Wait lang, i-compare natin dun sa 10 inches ko. Going to get lang my 10 inches which I'm using right now. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Kita niyo naman yung difference, di ba? Wait. Ayan. Guys, for the longest times, ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko since last year na bumili ako nag-start ako mag-vlog. So ito yung ginagamit ko. Now I have this one. I'm so excited. Now, let's start to use them and compare talaga if you really need an upgrade from this small one to this bigger one. If it's worth it, diba? Okay, so this is how it looks like kapag I'm using the 10 inches ko na ring light. So, I've been using this one for a couple of months na. I mean, since last year pala. And then also, with this, kasi nga maliit siya and hindi niya masyadong nababrighten up yung aking face or aking background. So, I use pa dalawang softboxes na ginagamit ko apart from this ring light. So, without the softboxes, ito yung hitsura ko. Ayan. Ang oily ko tonight. So, ayan. So, now we are going to transfer naman and use the 18 inches, you know? Because we're a little excited. So, let's switch. There you have it, guys. So we are using now the 18 inches na ring light. Oh my God! Sobrang laki ng difference. Yan, kapag lalapit pa ako ng sobra sa camera, ayan, sobrang kita na yung kinang ng face ko kasi sobrang oily ko tonight. So, OMG, sobrang laki talaga ang difference, guys. You can tell naman, di ba? From the other one, from the 10 inches din. Lumalabas ng pagkabisaya ako. From the 10 inches compared to this, oh my God, laki ng difference. I'm looking at my camera right now. Sobrang laki ng difference, guys. So it's all worth it. Oh my God, ang tagal ko tagnantay, almost a year. So I started my vlog last year around June. And ngayon ako bumili ng malaking ring light. But yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited with this. And if you're going to buy this product, I'm going to link down below the store again. So kung saan ito nabili. So right now I'm using the white, the white, tawag dito, diffuser. Diffuser ba ang tawag dito? I think the white diffuser. Let's also check pala if we're going to use the orange one, yung soft light. soft light ba? I don't know. But you can adjust din ha. This is the brightest. And then yeah, yan. So, ang ano ko lang dito, ang hindi ko masyadong, what do you call this one? Ang downside lang ng product na to, or what I'm missing lang about this product is yung remote control or yung easy access to adjust the light, alam mo yun, to turn it on and off, kasi you have to go pa dito sa mismong likod ng ring light in order to turn it on and also to adjust. Okay guys, right now I'm using the orange diffuser. If you can see, oh my gosh, this is soft light, no? It looks pretty as well. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my camera kasi titignan ko talaga on how it looks like. It looks really nice, you know? I'll try to turn off pala the lights. Ayan. See? Oh my gosh. So, ayan na yan guys. Yung ating orange diffuser. So, it's really cute. And, ayan. Ano masasabi ko? Wala. So, I am just so happy with this product. And then, now I am using the white diffuser. Yun. So, sobrang nice talaga. But right now kasi I have our lights, yung ilaw sa sala right now, that is on and it's still casting lights on me. And normally when I do my vlogs, is wala talaga ako ibang ilaw kundi yung ilaw lang ng ring light at saka nung aking soft boxes. And so I'll try to turn off the ilaw so that you would really see the difference if I in focus lang at ito yung ilaw na gamit ko. It looks good pa din, ayan, 'di ba? So kitang-kita niyo pa din yung aking oily face. So I am just so excited to use this one para sa mga future vlogs ko at saka as makeup tutorial or makeup review. So ayan. So overall guys, I am going to rate this one 10 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 just because wala siyang remote control. But if kung meron siyang remote control, 10 out of 10 sana to. Bakit ako nabubulol? Al kompleto yung kanyang accessories. Pero yeah, so yun, 9 out of 10 just because lang sa remote control. But overall, guys, sobrang ganda niya talaga. I would highly recommend this one if you're going to purchase a new ring light or a bigger one. This 18. Bakit hirap ako sabihin yung 18 inches. 18 inches na ring light. So there you have it guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. And please don't forget to like this video if it did help you in case na maghahanap kayo ng ring light. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and also like my Instagram or follow me on Instagram. I'll have it down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!